All right, so we are back. I'm ranting at Nasi. Na oze medical catcher. Last week, me cast him busy obi. A friend me catch zebra, and I'm ranting and I do money that he ma me catcher. I was for he. Me cast him keke. But I'm telling you, sir, who says the same back on a low tone. Addition, a nyansa. So wusua na uhunu na woka and nkofo say you are a learned person. And enyame na meka. There are a lot of comments we are receiving on the show and outside the show. I'm ranting with me new omwagro. Opa kadi obeka bia. Me catch up. And now we don't have to move to Accra before we can become so big.
Sure.
We are in Kumasi, I'm telling you emphatically. We are in Kumasi. And these guys are also here in Kumasi. At Journey Nyansa Entertainment, you can't beat them. And the massacre can be you. They be a metal mechanics. And then, yeah, Ubekwaku. Massa, Fresh boy, power party. Massa, and that's so dear. Fresh boy. That we are working. I be able to make a tune. You ask him go for jealousy, cry.
No, I say also young town.
Yeah.
And we are say I don't money send your center crache.
No concept.
What I say, you know, the we are here to do our
yeah, funny normal.
Yeah. And the first part of it, we will criticize people.
Yeah.
And you say obvious we criticize yeah.
It's okay.
We are here for them.
Mami come ranting in China, omum shashen tutu janem from mami na. And then yeah, last week you hear bibi efa your music and then your movie. Comparatively, Ghana and Nigeria, ni ye say. Bibi wo ha Ghana for yenya ase Nigerians no omu so superior in terms of music and then movie. Ama mo cheche nsem bebre. Eni abase what ya mo gede ya me anim ni. Enya asem ketwa. But yenhye ye sound engineering side ene. Because enyum nyina sound engineers free omo so omo ba. Because ocho lyrics now to no ofia Ghana for nti. Until say Obeko studio no wa produce a nice beat dia ma wado ne be hyem cause ye wusa gofo bu o mo ne kura no 80% of the job is done from the studios. Okay. Cause ye computerizing gofo ne ni ade nti ehu be hia say sound engineers ne be hwe omo as compared to Nigeria. Say adentina say Nigerians nyum no atofom say team as a well polished. But Ghana de ne de as afi na ye be prapra ho na ye tie ne ba be di ho nkomo yi pa. Ma me sha say free Papa J mamra na yen sha say interest ade we say engineering side Yebeka say Ghana we are doing it so large than Nigeria and I say Yebeka say Nigerian sound engineers no omo I sell it through and I might gel more than yehu or Ghana.
Well, so as me that say my viewers are omo share na so the bibi share the last time you did come bibi but then no me say o dey the producer side and I work and say nyumba ye nyuma it's about the sound engineer what you say and what share Ghana your music production not that of Nigeria you me who say yen engineers na Ghana they are more talented than the Nigerians.
Oh sir, yes I said they be all say talent in Ghana but then ye kasa nya na yesu
your engineers know have more they are doing well way back the Ghana music the days of near appear to so near Apietus near was Zab Mallet you were Kentiron near Hammer you were JQ you were Sugartone
Morris
Babyface what is it those days now the type of songs are a bar those the not Nigerian song when it penetrated to Ghana
maybe no
what you say those days no not any single now release that hit near full album it is an artist release an album you will enjoy all the songs on that particular album before say enyum fade near 2 years anything that lumba release every year na kojenchi ever 2 years and so no much satisfy me enjoy your album now to that level afide be na assessor what I say again na assessor e say o share your crop of engineers na abana I don't know say a lazy work there minti Nigerians are doing well because of say omonye talented engineer but they are good in technology so what I say omo technology do kwa any more than us Ghana ha sound engineer ba kono na ne software use krampo no na old software
outmoded no ya de kakra sa
no oda so AUC na almost mixing uti Nigeria for mixing no the
celebo beat to up
celebo beat to one more master Don Jazzy beat to you can know say mixing the song is well mixed. What you say mixing here and say top from there down machine na eba when e betimi age but these days no young Ghanaians no artists na nkasa so more na so say den beat makers.
Okay.
Meanwhile, your beat makers are professionally. Or more from a very long time I've seen it. But right now, no, artists be a person no kasa suya no ye na ade. At a point in time, na bisake do no kasa boni beat. Obo beat na Ghana for catch say as oya one way.
Share the kind of songs are now all produced. Yes. I said the same beat right now. Okay.
At a point in time, Shatta Wale was doing his own thing. So what I say, so when the Shatta the songs be too machine now, but you can see say mixing here then enkoyi.
Yeah.
But your engineers who they are solely doing the producing side omoye enwuma ne nko a. It is omonya abote den e hye enwuma ne maye. And na obehu enwuma we ba na pick na hater. Yemfa say that guy DJ Breezy.
Yeah.
Obo Tonga. Tonga be hit pa. That same Tonga beat no or sample ma artist best 10 e Ghana.
No correct.
That same Tonga of Odimuno nya Kotomoshi. Odimunya nya seho. Obetimi abo beat bebe nti say DJ Trance no so hye nwoma a. Sa side no obetimi gira ho abo sa omre on stress because on odi we too na we bo wo ti.
Yeah.
Odi we too na we bo wo ti. So enwum bi wo ha e bo say enwum bi skeleton ye den ejinem.
Yeah.
But Nigerians are not doing that. They are not doing that. Recently, somebody like Kwame Eugene, or says, or right now produces songs, or makes songs so.
Oh, I shall say produce.
Mamika se me choko tie song like Kwame Eugene, any Lady Prempe ye. Never compare Obiato by Kwame Eugene. Tie song on Emilia Brobe, or no a boy. Never compare the song or him. You can see, say, what you say? This is Kwame Eugene's song.
Yeah.
Ejuma no no ye na sa ejuma na kwa na wa sample dem obi fufuro nti ekoso bebre say artist bi ko studio and oko engineer ho na say engineer bo beat be ma Swansea na ye hater of course me pe Swansea type na ye ni beat
oye na man ye hate na no abi na me be
so what I say it is song be boa what say this song is coming from this particular song creativity na nye den anya ejuma nti na these days Ghana your song buy na your tomato song perishable songs 1-2 months na nyuma ye den na fade but they compare the days of Apietus, the days of Sugartone, the days of Zab Mallet, songs from Boba Lokenya no. We will say Lokenya album beba, we different songs, different mixing, different engineering works.
About Apietus in the mix, which the Massa Nyumpa.
So what as Morris and mixes songa. Or my a new way home born new way because that time engineering works in one way.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. This time no, Obia per se. Oh, me me to me rap, me sample me beat. Into a person the rapper of the year, or Sanji beat song producer of the year. Nipa ba kuno, so jini na but he was specialist one. Nigerians deal with specialists. This guy, Techno, also a beat maker.
Yeah.
Was also a singer.
Yeah.
Or Bob Beater. You know, say B-side, you know, was specialized.
Yeah.
And about a no so there.
Was specialized.
It was me Bob Beater man the video too. The video if. On a boy.
If I tell you, say I love you.
Beat Monster. Hey, Techno. What you say?
Yeah.
But yeah, dear no. I say, you for your home room, say Sikani anymore, say they omo ye beat in your beat. No more ye rapper in your rapper. No more ye singing in your singing. Now, what we are singing now, over so say beat. Now they be the same song and near the Amawe, the same song near the Amawe, the same song near Amawe. I'm gonna any buyer.
Is it because as a mutu kana momo ya omoya and they feel say you have to be multi-talented in this auto nyumukrana you can learn that in addition to what you are doing.
No bad so be but any num bia na also try so be there. You can do the demo. When him say this guy Master Gazi, Oko Nigeria yensini from cry. Yeah. Most of the hit songs they free Patoranking.
Oh no, what penetrating into Nigeria market.
Most of the hit songs they free the camp of Patoranking, you know. Master Gazi so what I say, they believe in our Ghanaian song producer and engineers, you know. Because they are so talented. But just say, no technology, no. Oma bini muche Ghanaians, no.
Yeah.
What I say, and there was some of the engineers who were Swansea. Almost sabotage artists nibi. Young fan is a kill beat. The artist they can promise. Young fan to me.
Yeah.
The artist they can promise. Young fan to say Richie. The artist say Kwame Eugene
and
Kiddy. no artist who do nyuma kwa koma reach here.
There is no way Obebo will be Kwame Eugene.
Not that year no. Kwame Eugene only compete. Yam fancy can promise and nyuma kwa koma Richie. So ombo Kwame Eugene is also in the camp of links or the entertainment. Do you think say Jumo Bayama Kwame Eugene or betime say Juma ni year Eddie can promise ana e fanto wona meyo. The same thing na Kwame Eugene the nyom.
You are not saying say sanet here but in fact wona.
Okay. Some of the engineers as almost sabotage artists ni bi. Obetime ati artists bi a ye fan so be say release beat. Obetime beat bi a wa ya mo bi a. Obetime say enti asome say na bo beat we ya na. But obedient so benya bota aye na come on.
Is it not how much you pay?
It's not about how much you pay. What you say? It's not about how much you pay. It's about how the sound engineer feels about you. The love or where or man. Obetime you be you so finchim mama no. Obedience obey na tra no there not the amount. I didn't say about that. Engineer in industry nyina so here almost na gina. So until this time your music says what's the deal? Song gonna buy na your bucking kick to see na there. Na ira. Until they be make say yeah Ghana ha and as we Africans our past is better than our future. Adetia oh tesenyo na ede pa. Tesenyo na come up tie beat no to bass ni lines na ede pa. Enye nka ye kɔ enimu mo no say eye de na ede pa. Ba ye kɔ enimu mo no.
So then I ask say omu na omu boy beat di ma the lumbers the kojanchis the amachi the days no omu a enani na ye to omu ni ma still na na yakoma e presem kwa ko tie bio no. Omu wai omu ankyere nkwara no omu ba no ana because e come here say beat makers and say no service and tomatoes few of them na
and then I don't think say competitive because say you work no sa na aye anything at this time we hear music na enye competitive there
because obi anyina so konka
Ghana music is not competitive so what you say
Ghana music na nka say competitive
there be competition be any competition be no way
then kidi money ade ni compete each other with what
and
the musically obi a compete
kidi nyombe na ya born a whole year still you go so bo kidi nyombe na ya born for 2 years with those days for Kodwenchi example Kodwenchi no release 2 years into the album ba songs no we hit na we hit ye boy wa ha ni ye boy wa ha lumba ni ye boy wa ha ni ye boy book back ni ye boy wa ha ni ye boy wa ha kwakas ni ye boy wa ha ni ye boy wa nkase ni ye boy wa but this sana na obiaba every year na you say single the single na buy ya 3 months na ko 3 months na ko enti album na mra no enjoy all the songs on the album already na fe entacho kwa so be den ubetie bi but those days then tesa
yeah
one name chono until make no the brave days of April life
yeah
na artist ba ko begina stage artist begina stage obe perform ni nyom no on gina stage any be 10 minutes because artist go eche ni big break to hit ever and shatta wole nko ati me 4 hours on stage
ononko who else is coming
any competitive
who else is coming avena meto dey
any competitive but those days no who kwa kati ekuta hit
yeah
with a good song Obrafo kuta hit with a good song and Kasaba Okoro you dey see what they do ejina ho na Philomena Kpetinga eso ye den eba Daddy Lumba beba Papa Shi beba Oforan Ponsa beba Felix Owusu beba enti hwe nyama me body nyina wo omo na top
disasters we are o beto nyumba do say
unche on stage but any competitive nti sa akodi betima be gina ho obeto nyum sa storm obeto nyum sa because when hit ni wo him you hit no one him any competitive to the compare those days now not to compare now also won say any competitive in na ma basa yensu ande so they can say it's about time or see a sanction back the sanction back bill na yenya hit by hit na enyum ba ko e ba bitima gem for a whole year Emma artist ni kwa
no boni pa be for bi
yes Emma artist need to me relax it me ye adwuma san nyanyom foforo no odin because right now enyum no buy 2 weeks 3 weeks 1 month na a fade out into no Emma pressure ball so anytime be a perishable songs and eba those days na ka ya album na eba every year na before say san nyum no ensa na enti ani so from na no wonya adwuma aye adwuma no wate bia frim edi bia ka ho we yenye ye fa sha ye fa we yenye say but this time because of say ni ho nti enyum no buy oni say we acha Ghana for jatum 1 month ebe ko na the pressure ban so nti o say o pepe no ho san de foforo ye den esan ba and am this time time adwuma no enye so competitive.
Okay.
It's about time yen twa ani yen san ko yechi san ko fa we yen chi.
Yeah, me share say o share yen na real entertainment na de bro de enkanso nkaja na wotia e ma wusua de kwa kire Showbiz Arena. My first the PSM Family production team headed by the king himself. Okay, see na nkasa okukuruko Mr. Daniel Yeboah aka Danny Boy. Masa enyem ngon wasa abrochefo ni nyina feeling no obo adwuma papa kai me those days I know ye radio presenter na sim papa Danny obo nyumo ono kwa na ne wo sa ayi no jingle no awira na say na me meda mia mabranti awiafe akwasi JA ko mo twap sini no mo editor net ya ototo niema kama na obo adwuma bruta sa double have to be a cameraman na share bibia se be kama afi so me ankasa me small boy kakra osua de ba pa ko vie free ono so eka team ni ho obo ma bibia eye kama na afi so ba hu se me bra ba ko bia ba atobra atobi no ono so beteche Amisha na ontina na micho midin edi kofi poku betima from Miss Swansea mu amode mu messages ba Facebook nyina na ya hunu ya kinkan bia kama batie mrani ntidi aka wache bia na be na etumi ayi bibia kama WhatsApp so messages be ba ya da mu nyina amasenya me aduma Friday we'll be here on this same network, same platform, Kumasi Online TV, and it's still Showbiz Arena. Yenfabusia yenkramuina. Bye bye. Kumasi Online TV jumedie kese ne drusubio manyan kansere. Last year it was super. Yene enkwada kabom ediasa edidi enomen esansu diagropi.
But this year's own will be mega. Afidie ebeye butu. Come join us as we wine, dine and dance with the orphans and needy come December. Na ye de achede sonko enso atsato.
Enunti wadauruma de kra bia say mo say anwa anase yesika. Bomode so betimi dia ba Kumasi Online. Na ye so kakra bia ye wono ye de aka ho. Na ye ne enyanka nyina ani atumi age. Efisa tro no se wanya ma unua no ba anya ma me.
Shenin so se wodi wusika na ebefa Owurada na Yeboah mobile money number yi so 0550 623
Kayo Evas December ya.
Kumasi Online TV manyankansre. Ha. Se manyankansre ya. Nyango pamba ma wonso asre.